Hello friends, in this video we will see how to use functions available in Microsoft Excel. Number of functions are available in Microsoft Excel to execute various types of operations. So let's start. First click on Start menu, then click on All Programs, then click on Microsoft Office. After that click on Microsoft Excel, then this Excel worksheet will be open. We will see the stepwise general process used in Microsoft Excel to use the functions which are available in Excel. This general process contains 6 steps, in which first step is enter the data. So first we have to enter the data on which we are going to apply the function. So here I am entering some values. After that, second step is select the cell to display the output of the function. So we will select the cell where we want to display the output of the function. Third one, press the equal to sign from keyboard. Fourth one is type the function name in capitals as per the format in Excel. So here suppose we want to add these numbers. So we will use the function in capital SUM. Now fifth step is enter the function arguments in round bracket in the sequence provided by Excel. For this function, arguments required are the only numbers which we want to add, so we will select the range of the numbers, complete the round bracket and apply the last step, that is press the enter key. So we will get addition of these numbers using these 6 steps. So these are the 6 steps which are used in executing any function in Microsoft Excel. But here it is not always possible that everybody knows the function name in capitals as per the Excel format or the function arguments which we have to enter in the round bracket. So now we will see, if we don't know these things, then how to use the functions which are available in Excel. In this process, first 3 steps are common. That is, we have to enter the data, we have to select the cell to display the output of the function, and we have to press the equal to sign from keyboard. After that, to execute the fourth step, we don't know the function name. For that purpose, we have to click on the FX sign in the formula bar. After that, insert function window will be open. In this window, we can see the one option, select category option. Here various categories of the functions are given. All functions, financial function, date and time function, mathematical and trigonometric function, statistical function, and so on. So we have to select the category of function which we want to use. So here I will select the all categories. After that, in the next drop down column, you can see the functions which are available under the all categories. Here list of all function is given. So from this list, you have to select the function as per your requirement. So here for practice purpose, we will select one function. We will select function large. Click on that function. After that, function name and the arguments used will be displayed. Also, the explanation about the output of the function is also displayed. Here it is given that returns the kth largest value in the data set, for example the 5th largest number. And required arguments are array and k. Click on OK. After that, function arguments window will be open. In this window, click for the first argument, that is array. Then explanation about array will be displayed below that. It is given that array is the array or range of the data for which you want to determine the kth largest value. So we will select the range of the data which we have used already. Now click for k. See the explanation for k. K is the position from the largest in the array or the cell range of the value to return. So here it is asked that which largest number you want from array. So suppose we want the second largest number, so we will type 2 and click on OK. So we will get the second largest number from these values. So this is how we use the function in Excel. You can see the formula which we have used in the formula bar also. So this is the process to use any function which is available in Microsoft Excel. If we know the function name in Excel format, then it is well and good. Otherwise, we can search it from the list of the function which is available in Microsoft Excel.